Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Biz Mitra. Biz Mitra is an accounting software using which you can have your accounts and inventory managed very easily, even through your mobile phone. And if you need, you can even sync it with any accounting software like Tally. So today we'll be showing you the sales order being booked by the mobile phone. That is the mobile phone carried by the salesman who goes to the customer, books his orders, and how it is being reflected into Tally. This is the agenda for the day. And not only sales orders, the salesman can book the invoices directly from the mobile. He can take the receipt, that is, he can receive the payments from the customers, and even that will be reflected live on Tally. So today we'll be covering the sales order from BizMitra mobile application, and again how it is being imported into Tally. And I request you to subscribe our channel, and I also request you to keep searching for the new videos. We are continuously coming out with different videos with different modules. Thanks a lot for your time. And now over to Biz Mitra mobile app. So here is the Biz Mitra mobile app, which you can see has sales orders. We also have a feature which says speak. That is, a salesman can just push this button and speak, saying that I received so and so amount from so and so party. System will automatically make a receipt entry. Fine. All these things we'll be covering in our next videos. Today we go to the sales order, which is our main agenda. So I go and click on the sale order. Once I click on the sale order, my order book is open. I create a sale order, and once I create on the sale order, you can see the orders which are already there is shown. I just select the voucher type. I can have as many voucher type as I want. I select voucher number is automatically captured. Here I select the date. Date will also come automatically. Because mine is an education version, I am selecting some other date. I put the reference number. Salesman can put his own reference number, like his name, followed by the customer's name or serial number, and he can select the customer to whom he wants to. He is booking the order. Once the customer is being picked, he can select the product for which he is taking the orders. Sales ledger. He can add the product, and he can select different products of different tax items. Say, for example, he is selecting keyboard. From which godown? It all will be picked up from the main system, quantity and rate. Suppose if you means the super admin has given the rights to the salesman to give discounts, the salesman can also give discounts, put his discount rate as well. You can also see that the GST rate is automatically taken by the system. If the salesman is authorized, he can give any discount in terms of percentage, and he can add this product. If he wants, he can add some other product also. He's taking the order for other products as well. So he's taking some other product, laptops, go down, he'll select again the quantity, rate. All these things can be automated also. We are coming out. This is a basic demonstration just to give you the overview of the product. Discount, and add the product. Now, if required, he can add the tax details also, CGST, SGST. System will automatically calculate the tax value also. Duty ledgers can be selected by clicking the Add Ledger button. Here it is. I'll select the duty ledger, yes, and his GST. I'll add it, and I'll just put my narration and submit it. He can put any narration as send it urgently or what. The moment he books it, he can send it as a WhatsApp right from the screen to the customer from whom he has received the order. And if required, he can send it to the management of his company, the sales head, or the accounts team, whomever he wants. And you can see how this order is viewed by the customer. And this is the sales order. We can just zoom it and show it to you. Like both the items, discount, everything is being captured. See, you have got the discount, you have got the tax, you have got the customer name, billing name, shipping name, everything is being captured here, right? On the spot. And now we'll take just 2 minutes to show you how this is being reflected in Tally. We can just go to Tally, and in Tally, we just have to, you can see here that the last date of entry, can you go back to it? You can see that the last date of entry as of now is 1st May. I have to do nothing. There is a button called import from BizMitra. I'll just click on that button, and the moment I click, you can see that it takes few minutes and a few seconds rather, and it is updated live, and it shows that the last date of entry is 2nd July. I'll just change the date. Here you can see my order is already there in Tally. You can see the order number received by the salesman can be captured from here. The discount given by the salesman, it is being taken in Tally on live basis. You can go and see the narration also, which is put by the salesman. You can also capture different things like specifications of the item, etc., also can be captured. Again, the idea of today's video was to give you an overview that such a product is available with BizMitra. Friends, I request you, please call us if you want a detailed demo. If you want any other further, clarifications, please feel free to call us on the number which is highlighted here. And also, we'll be only happy to give you the fullest demonstration, and you can try this product before you actually buy it. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.